Hi guys, this is Sasha from TT Liquor. Today we'll be showing you how to make the classic cocktail called the Daiquiri. This time we joined forces with Cabby's Rum from East London, and here's the video of how to make this classic drink.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favourite classic cocktails, which is a Daiquiri. This is a really old school drink, really beautiful and simple, just 3 ingredients. It's a shake and drink and it's going to be served straight up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is grab myself a nice Nick and Nora glass and chill that down, ready to put the drink in when we finish making it. So I'll just pop some crushed ice in there and let that chill to one side while we make this cocktail. So first ingredient in a Daiquiri, very importantly, is some white rum. We are going to be using this lovely Cabby's rum made by the Taxi Spirit Company, some good friends of ours. And I want 50 mils of my Cabby's rum. Right, next thing going in here is a sweetener. Keeping it nice and simple, we're just using sugar syrup or gum. And I want 15 mils of my Monin gum syrup. Now I want 25 mils or 1 shot of my lime juice. So I'm going to grab my measure just so I can get that real accurate. So that is 25 mils of my lime juice. Last thing we need is of course just some cubed ice. Fill this right up. Take my big tin and pop it on top. Nice big smack to seal it. And we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. Beautiful. Right, so I'll pop that open. So I'm just going to double strain it into that glass. There we go. And now for a garnish, I'm just going to put a nice lime wheel on there. And I'll cut a little notch in that, just so that I can pop it on the side of the glass here. And that is our Daiquiri ready to drink.